Hey lovelies, quick one today before I go for Sunday dinner with my family. So it's day 10 of opening my Serenity with Jess's crystal advent calendar. Let's see what's inside today's. Hope everybody's had an amazing weekend. Ooh, another raw one. Okay. I have no idea what this is. I'm thinking, does it have bits of maybe garnet in or ruby, or I'm really not sure. Let's have a look. Kaleidoscope jasper, a stone of joy and positivity. Kaleidoscope jasper is believed to bring a sense of adventure and playfulness. How fun! See you all tomorrow for day 11.